Alright guys, what is up? It's your boy ERAT33 here, and today I got you episode 1 of my shortstop from last year that I ported over. His shortstop, Joshua Jones. He is at 86 overall currently right now, and he got traded to the Giants. As you see me fouling that off, almost getting it. If it would have been fair, it would have been a homer, but nope, I fouled it off. And this is my first video where I really did some high quality editing, where I spent some longer time trying to cut it up to make it shorter. Still battling fouling it off there. Guessing outside, and I don't know why I swung it. This is just a terrible decision. So yeah, I just did some great editing today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm going to be making some more soon, and I figured out some more stuff, and I'm just getting into the groove of YouTube now, and getting thumbnails and channel art, as you see me going for the double play here, getting the perfect release, and yes, getting him by a step, as the runner could not beat out the throw. See that page crumple transition. Batting, I did terrible in this game batting. Like, see, I'm guessing up there, I just swing, I don't know why. I mean, it was on the line up there, but I still popped it up right to the right fielder. I didn't get any hits this game, guys, spoiler alert, but next time I'll definitely get some more hits for you guys. As you see me fielding this ball, perfect release, throwing it, taking that weird one hopper, like what the heck, man. Shortstop with a 70 arm strength and 70 field and 70 throw accuracy should be making better throws and bouncing the dirt. As you see me getting a great timing, but missing it because I guessed up instead of down, even though I couldn't choose. Now I guess up again, and it was a perfect pitch to hit, and I whacked that thing, and I thought it was going to be a home run, but it just kind of died out there, right by the wall, as you see the center fielder tracking it down. Now my next up at bat, bases loaded, guessing the pitch, hitting that. I got excited when it first came off the bat, and then I realized it was a little bit too high, right to the center fielder again. That center fielder is going to be all kinds of problems today. And right as we're nearing the end of the video, I think that was my last chance at bat. And so I will be seeing you next time, guys. Subscribe. Bye.